In this video, I'm going to be rating clothing brands. If you're wondering who's this guy trying to rate clothing brands, my name is Abdul. I own a marketing agency where we basically take a shit ton of clothing brands that you actually know, from small to big brands, some doing 5 figures in sales, some doing 7 figures in sales, and we scale them. And how do we scale them? Through paid ads, backend systems, literally everything you need for your brand, every single thing, the website, SMS, and email marketing, everything. Alright, before I start this video, if you own any clothing brand that I'm going to be talking about in this video and you take shit personal, just click out of this video. I'm just rating this brands just to give you more knowledge on what to do and what to not do with your clothing brand. So the first brand we're going to rate is Never Seen Apparel. I've been seeing this brand like crazy on TikTok for the past few days, so I'm like, let me just rate it. So the first thing I'm going to be looking at is their products, because that's the most important part, a product. So the products are nice, like I fuck with the products. The image quality is a bit fucked up though. I don't know if it's from me, but it's blurry. I don't know why. So the products are nice. I fuck with the products. I fuck with them. The size charts are nice. Like the products are just high quality. Like they look high quality. So I'm gonna be rating this products a 7 out of 10. I fuck with them. I fuck with them actually. Now this is nice. The only thing I don't like about this is like how you present the brand. Like the brand aesthetic is somehow, the reels should be, this type of videos should be literally removed from the main grid, and you should only keep, I think you should just keep these two photos instead of having this. They don't really go well with everything. They're not consistent with the rest of the products. So I'm going to look at the reels now, see how consistent this brand is posting. So they're not posting consistently at all. As you can see, they only have a few reels, so they're not consistent. They have to be more consistent. Like I keep on saying this every single time on my videos, you need to be posting at least 3 to 4 videos every single day. 3 to 4 videos every single day. But they only have like a few 9-10 videos, so these should be more. And I know this brand, if they actually post more, get more traffic, I know they'll scale that shit like crazy. And I fuck with this. Now this is nice. Alright, so they have a highlight of like customers in their stuff and like reviews. Now this is nice. They actually have some decent social proof. Their website is locked, so I'm not really going to go inside, because as you can see, your password page. So overall, I'm gonna just give this brand a 7 out of 10. Alright, so the next brand we're going to be rating is Vito Canada. I don't know how to pronounce it. So they're just selling sweats. I fuck with the way they present it. But I've seen this a lot. I've seen this type of products a lot. So you just need to get more unique products. But they're nice. Like they're simple, and you can never fail with simple type of products. And their aesthetic is good. I fuck with the aesthetic. For the products, I'm going to give the products a 6 out of. I'm just giving it a 4, just cause like they're very simple and you can literally see it everywhere. So the products 4, and then the aesthetic, I'm going to be giving the brand aesthetic an 8 out of 10, because like everything is consistent. All their posters are consistent, and the aesthetic is just smooth and everywhere. So actually good job. And then I'm gonna see how consistent they're posting. So they're fucking consistent. This is the type of shit I want to see every single time, bro. Literally look at this. Consistency. This is the type of shit I want to see every single time, bro. And I'm gonna see how frequent they post. Alright, so this was posted on alright, so this was pinned. So I'm gonna see how frequent they post. 2 hours ago, 4 hours ago. This is, bro, fucking good job, man. 6 hours ago. This is the type of shit I want to see, bro. 1 day ago. Alright, so good job, man. I actually fuck with this brand, and I fuck with him so much, bro. So this is nice. I fuck with the aesthetic, doing everything. Consistency, 10 out of 10 for real. And then I'm gonna look at their highlights. So they have a help highlight, customer help. So this is nice. Actually, reviews. Nah, this is nice, bro. He's doing literally everything right. Man. So he has this, like the importance of this type of highlight is just to give more social proof and actually tell your customers that you actually ship. So this is nice. I would recommend you do like get some a shipping highlight of you just shipping out orders and have it. But this is already good enough social proof. So now this is good. Like I fuck with how you run the brand. The only thing I wouldn't say I don't fuck with it, but like it's simple. The pros are very simple and like they look quite high quality. So I'm gonna just give this brand an 8 out of 10, on my opinion though. So the next brand we're gonna be rating is this brand right here, Repentii. Repentii, yeah, that's the name of the brand. So so I don't really fuck with the aesthetic. I don't know, but it's just not my style. Maybe it's a UK brand, so I don't really know the type of stuff they be wearing. But now that stuff is decent. Like, bro, if you can continue like having this type of post on your like feed, I assure you, it's gonna be so much better for you, man. It's gonna be so much better for you. Cause look at this quality and then compare it with this. Your shit has to be consistent, man. Your shit has to be consistent, and try to remove the reels too from the feed. Just try to get rid of the reels like from like your main feed, but just try to keep this type of quality. And I assure you, if you keep this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then bro, just keep trying to keep this type of quality and get rid of like the low quality type of photos, and I assure you your stuff is going to be so much more consistent. For the pieces, they're actually decent pieces. I'm gonna give this pieces a 6 out of 10. And for the content quality, bro, that fucking content is high quality. It's just that it's not consistent throughout the video, throughout like the brand. But that stuff is nice. That stuff is nice. I'm gonna see how consistent they are. 5 hours ago, 2 days ago, so 3 days ago. So they post like one time a day. You just have to boost the post frequency a bit, because you're like a smaller brand and you don't have a lot of social proof, so you need to post more so that you can gather more followers and like just get more traffic on yourself. Nobody knows about you, so you just need a shit ton of traffic. So yeah, that stuff is nice. That stuff is nice. I'm gonna give this brand a 6 out of 10, bro. I'm very sure rated. This is my first time doing this type of video. But nah, this brand is nice. You just need more social proof. They have a shipping highlight, worn by Repentii. Now this is good. This is actually good. Next brand I'm going to be rating. This is a new brand, Blacklisted the shop. So right off the bat, bro, this is not it, man. This content is not it. This shit is not it, bro. This is not it. So the pieces are okay. They look good, high quality, but the way of presenting a brand is so fucking shit, bro. It's so bad. It's bad. Like, bro, there's no aesthetic, there's no consistency. Everything is just different. Everything is different. I'm gonna see how consistent he is. November 26th, November 17th. Bro, this is not how you run a brand. This is a new brand. I know he probably does not know a lot of stuff about the brand, clothing brand shit, but still, bro, your stuff is not it. So I'm gonna tell you what you gotta do if you are actually watching this video. Like if it was my brand, what I would do is I would delete literally everything and start afresh. Like literally start afresh. Like get rid of these videos from the profile grid, and then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go take a very good high quality concrete flight lay like of the tracksuit and post it. Have one flight lay post on the feed. It's going to be a feed post, and then have another on body post. Very high quality studio type of pictures. So those will be like the first two photos on like the feed, and you just keep on getting them over like gradually. Just gather them gradually, and then the reels, you just gotta like switch up like the quality, bro. There's no meaning behind this. There's no nah, bro. You just gotta switch up the content style for real. So yeah, just switch it up. And then the third brand I'm going to be rating is Chaotic. I don't know how to pronounce that shit. So this is actually it. This is it. Like this brand, I fuck with it. I fuck with this brand a lot. Everything is done the right way. I fuck with the feed, everything aesthetic. They're all consistent. This is what I've been telling you guys. This type of stuff you need, literally consistency and everything. For the jeans and like the products, I'm gonna give this products an 8 out of 10. Like just because of how they're presented. I'm not really going to go too much in depth on a product because I want to stick to the marketing aspect. So the products are nice. The aesthetic is fucking it, bro. Like this feed is it. I'm gonna give the feed a 9 out of. I'm gonna give it a 10 out of 10, not even a 9, because literally everything is done right. The only thing you do need is an on body post, like have someone wearing it so that people can actually see how the products fit. All right, let me look at the highlights. They have a members highlight. All right, so this is nice. They have a little bit of social proof there, and the content. This is nice too. Nah, I fuck with it. I fuck with it. So I'm gonna see how consistent they are. That's the main shit. 6 hours ago, 2 days ago, 3 days ago, 4 days ago. This I don't really fuck with that much. So they're consistent, but they're not crazy consistent. They post like one time a day. Like, well, they post once a day. So you just need to post more, get more traffic, literally, because you have like very good stuff, and the only thing that is stopping you from scaling is just traffic. What you need is traffic. You need more organic traffic, and if you're not running any ads, you should 100% run some ads just to get more traffic. Even if you're not running them, I'm gonna look at their website for a second. This is nice. This is nice. Get 10% off an early access. This is okay. Nah, I fuck with the brand. I fuck with the brand. That way, everything looks good about the brand. So I can really not complain. I'm gonna give this brand like a 10 out of 10. So this is another brand. So this shit is not it, bro. This is not it. This is something that you will literally do. This is AI for sure. I 100% know this is AI. And I know this brand owner, so bro, no offense, but you could low-key do better than this, man. You could low-key do better than this. The content is just not good enough. Like, look at this, bro. This is very, very low quality type of stuff, bruh. Nah, this is not it, bro. Y'all know shit. Nah, you got to switch this shit up. Like, nah. This was something that would work like 4 years ago, but not now, bro. You got hella competition, bro. Every single day, people are signing a brand. So you actually have to top up, man. This content is not air for this brand. I'm not even going to say anything. All you just gotta do is get rid of literally everything, start a fresh feed, and try to copy this brand, or try to copy this posts. Like, bro, you just gotta switch some shit up for real. So yeah, switch it up. Just switch up your whole content, or just do a rebrand at this point. So another brand I'm going to be rating is Deuce-Clos, if that's how you pronounce it. This is another good brand. I really fuck with the aesthetic. If you look at it, this is what I've been telling you for this while, bro. You gotta keep all your stuff consistent. Literally, all of their posts are consistent. Like, literally, look at everything. The colors match. Like, everything is just the same aesthetic. So the products are nice too. Now this is good. I'm gonna give this feed like a 9 out of 10, or even a 10 out of 10. I'm gonna see how consistent they post. They're not really that consistent. They need to just post more consistently, have more reels, but their stuff is good. They have the highlights too. Literally everything looks good. Now I fuck with this. I'm gonna give this brand like an 8 out of 10. The last brand I'm going to be rating is HRO. This is not it, bro. This is not it again. Their products look okay. They're just too simple. Like, literally everyone can make it. The products are not bad. They're just simple. You need to get more traffic. You need to get hella traffic on this stuff to even get some sales. But their products are okay. The only thing you need to change is how you present the brand. Brand presentation needs to be more. Get some highlights, literally getting some social proof, and grow your followers too. You barely have followers, but now this is something that has potential. You can low-key just spend some time on this, and it'll low-key look good. But now you can easily fix this shit. So just get more products, get more unique products, and try to keep the feed more consistent. Like, just keep the post consistent and get some highlights, and you'll literally be up. So yeah, that's basically it. If you want to work with me and my team, just apply using the link below, or book in a call down below. we can get straight to work. Or if you have any brand related questions, just hit me up on IG. My Instagram is going to be linked down below. Me and my brother's Instagram will be down below.